If you've ever wondered how to embed a SurveyMonkey survey in an email, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also point out an important limitation up front so you don't waste time clicking around. By the end, you'll know exactly how far you can get with SurveyMonkey's email options and what to expect if you're trying to send a survey directly through email. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more clear software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on your survey so you can open the one you want to send. After that, look for the publishing or collector options because this is where SurveyMonkey lets you choose how your survey will be shared. From there, click Publish Survey so you can access the distribution settings for your form. Next, click Add New Collector. A collector is basically the method SurveyMonkey uses to send or share your survey with people. In this menu, choose Email. This is the option most people expect when they want to embed a survey inside an email workflow. Now here's the key part. Depending on your SurveyMonkey plan, you may see a message telling you that email collection requires an upgraded plan. If that happens, that means the email collector feature is not available on your current free plan, and SurveyMonkey will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. So if you're using the free version, you may not be able to fully embed or send the survey through email from inside SurveyMonkey. If you do have a paid plan, you can continue configuring the email collector, add recipients, customize the message, and send the survey invitation directly. If your goal is simply to place the survey into an email body, it's also important to understand that many email clients do not support fully interactive, embedded forms the way a web page does. In many cases, what people actually use is a survey link, a button, or a clickable call to action that sends recipients to the survey in their browser. That is often the most reliable method and the one that works across the widest range of email providers. So the basic workflow is open your survey, go to Publish Survey, add a new collector, choose email, and then check whether your plan supports that feature. If it does, finish the setup and send it out. If it doesn't, you'll need to upgrade or use a shareable survey link instead. As you can see, the process is quick, but the plan limitation is the part that can stop you. So before you spend time building out your campaign, make sure your account includes email collection access. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.